If you ever find yourself avoiding doing difficult tasks or procrastinating instead of diving straight into the work ahead of you, then this video is for you. Here are 3 ways to force your brain to enjoy doing hard things. Hi, my name is Liddy. I'm a UK medic and productivity enthusiast, empowering you to achieve your academic, personal and professional goals. Today, I'm going to be sharing some actionable strategies to help you embrace hard work, starting with redefining what hard work actually is. It starts with a mindset shift and exactly how we perceive that hard work. Instead of seeing it as a hurdle, you can actually see it as an opportunity for personal or professional growth. One of the main reasons why we struggle to enjoy hard activities is because of our mindset towards them. We often associate difficulty with pain and discomfort, which honestly makes us want to avoid it altogether. But what if we flip the script and instead of seeing the hard work you have to do as this annoying obstacle you have to overcome, we instead see it as an opportunity to gain some sort of benefit, an opportunity for personal, professional, academic growth. With medical school, for example, I wasn't always fond of getting home after hospital placement and opening my laptop to do revision. It just wasn't something I was looking forward to. I was tired and I just couldn't be asked. But then I realized that if I just got over this minor discomfort of starting the work and just doing a bit of revision every day, it will mean that when I got quizzed by the doctors during hospital placement, instead of feeling super embarrassed and anxious because I don't know anything and being unable to answer their questions, doing this hard work temporarily for maybe 1 hour a day when I got back from hospital placement, it meant that I would gain even a tiny bit of knowledge to be able to answer some of the questions that the doctors had for me during hospital placement. And so because I had done this hard work revising, it meant that I could actually answer them confidently as well and feel more comfortable with my hospital placement experience. Think of it as moving from I have to do this to I get to do this because it helps me gain more knowledge and be more confident. By applying this principle to your own life, to your own situation, hopefully you can see for yourself, with the right mindset, you can turn nearly every task into a positive experience. My next tip is gamification and creating fun links. This is by far one of the major things that got me through 5 years of medical school. I don't think I could have consumed the amount of information I had to consume without creating some sort of element of fun within my studies. Studying or gaining information doesn't always have to be boring. In fact, by being intentional about implementing some sort of enjoyable factor behind it, we can make the whole process a lot more easier. Think about how you can add a playful twist to the hard work set before you. Whether it's turning progress into a game with rewards or treating yourself whenever you reach a specific milestone within your work, or even turning your work into a friendly competition with yourself and others. I remember during exam season when I literally had to be in the library from like 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. It was super intense during this time. Hassan and I would challenge ourselves to see who could do the most revision questions within a given time frame. And guys, it literally did make a difference into my workflow, even though I wasn't gaining anything physical. I think just the idea of beating your friend to something in a friendly way was pretty fun and did keep me going during this time where I had to do lots of intense revision. It really does give you something to look forward to as you progress through your tasks, so get creative and find a way to make your work more enjoyable. I feel like this is some sort of internal way to always trick your brain into enjoying something, but if you want to use more external means, then you need to romanticize your hard work. Romanticize the task by making the work process aesthetically pleasing. This is literally a term that Gen Z live by. That's why, for example, there are always thousands of people streaming Lo-Fi Girl on YouTube. Everything from the colors used to the animation to the music in the background, it just comes together just to be so aesthetically pleasing. And you can't help but just sit in that vicinity and study peacefully along with the video. So literally, whether it's setting up a cozy workspace of candles, using soft lighting, or putting motivational music in the background, you can kind of adapt to your background and your external situation to ensure that it adds a bit of pizzazz to the hard work you have to do, it adds a bit of pizzazz to your revision, and it makes it a bit more meaningful and comfortable. And so you may feel a little more motivated to get that hard work done. When working from home, or if I have remote stuff to do, I tend to go to an aesthetic cafe with really cute decorations. I put on my headphones, I grab a hot chocolate, and I literally act like I'm in some sort of Netflix movie, like I'm in a scene in a feel-good drama about college kids. That's literally what I feel like. And in my situation, it definitely moves the needle even a tiny bit when you're super drained by revision or any other hard activities or tasks that you have to do. So now that you've gained the ability to tackle difficult tasks head on, we need to make sure that we optimize this time to be super productive. So if you want more information on how to maximize your productivity, be sure to check out this video here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Bye!